Why am I not vlogging anyway? This is the ginger. It is so good. I'm a ginger person, and it's really gingery. I'm such a ginger person that I could use more gingers. Yeah, because I was like, why am I not vlogging this YouTube content? Like,
23.
because I never seen this in person. It's like from Asia. It's like a very normal cuisine, I think, in Asia, but it actually stinks. I wish I could taste it, but it's pretty expensive, and I don't see any prices on it. But I kind of want to taste it. But look at how much you have to buy to taste it, and I'm scared to taste it. It's like a stench. I feel like, bro, I can't explain the smell. It's like if you worked out. I don't. Y'all know where I was going, but it's still like a citrusy type of smell. I don't know, but I wish I could taste it before I buy it, but I can't, so I'm just not gonna buy it. But yeah, so this and this is the same thing. She's crazy. She bought some. She's crazy, y'all.
They say you also can cook this, and it tastes like chicken.
And it tastes like ass. Oh, this one
too. So.
Can I have a piece, please? You like it?
It's odd.
It's not what I thought it was.
Oh
my gosh, y'all. Oh my goodness, I'm about to eat it.
It's odd. Ain't bad though.
The piece I had was sweeter than this. Can I have a piece? Can I have a piece of that yellow piece? You know what this tastes like? It's like
we seen somebody cook it, right? And
this?
They put Hootoo's sauce and stuff on it, and they fried it. So it tastes like a Hootoo's chicken joint.
The yellow piece is way better than the orange. It is? Than the orange, in my opinion.
Try the yellow piece?
A little.
Okay, but you can taste the funk.
What funk?
Smell it. You don't smell that shit.
Yeah.
But it's still like, if you had an apricot, it's like squashy, apricot-y / mango. But the yellow piece is more mango-y, if that makes sense. But we really bizarre foods on this bitch. And I want some shit to go in my hands. But yeah, y'all, got some bay leaves. It was $1 for these big ass bags of bay leaves. Oh, thank you.
Don't be burning them things to death, man.
I'm not, bruh. These are some stock type shit.
He said I'll be burning it.
Yes, that nigga. I wish I could see that lady and tell her that it was actually okay.
You want some, Daddy? Oh yeah.
That jackfruit wasn't that bad. It was okay. It was okay. But this just looks like it's just spicy as hell. Like, look at these and then just look at these. Hi. What are these called right here?
That's the Carolina Reaper.
Oh, they got this at Buffalo Wild Wings. It's the most the hottest, but I wanted to do it anyway because I'm a spicy gal. But yeah, this scared me. Can I pick it? I can pick it up.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Some stands are different. Ooh. But yeah, that's crazy, bro. This is crazy. Got the Carolina Reaper. Does it scorch like your soil from growing?
No.
Okay, cool.
No.
I thought it was gonna be like cotton, you know.
It is
Cause
pretty warm.
yeah, that's crazy.
And now these two they look kind of the same. These
Oh,
are
okay.
scorpions here. And then I've got the yellow ghost, the red ghost, and there is
I know
one.
these are ghosts. I had some ghost peppers before, and that's what I'm saying. Ghost is already hot.
Yeah.
So this, I'm like, oh.
And this one is brain spiral. That's someone gave me the seeds to that one. It's brain spiral.
Really?
Yep.
I wish I could. You had a good friend. I wish I could find a good friend like that.
Yeah, customer. A lot of the peppers that I have, a customer gave me the seeds.
That's cool.
Oh, I've got 2 girls that when I have these, like one of them calls me over the winter, and because once I have a lot of, I put in the freezer. She calls me and she comes out here and buys them frozen. She said they put them in everything they eat.
That's cool. I know they will last a long time.
Yep.
With this, it looks like I'll use this in like a month. How hot this looks.
Well, I told her one time, because she's got little kids, and she said even the little ones eat the hot stuff like that. And I told her, I said, I would love to just try something that you made one time just to see if I could eat it. Well, she brought me some curried chicken she made with the hot sauce on the side. Oh my gosh, that stuff was delicious.
What? I bet it was really good.
Yes, it was.
But thank you for talking to me. Sorry, y'all. I be walking. Like a lot. Like hella. No car type shit. No car type shit. Shoot. Shoot. I like the smell, y'all. It's so citrusy. All these flowers so citrusy.
And then what I was telling
just the
her,
universe. Like, pay your debt, buddy. Get it.
I see you have some different actually stones on too. So what you can do, move those off. Take those off. Come on. And so what you can do, you can, I'm going to rub some of this into your hair. Go ahead and rub your beads in there, your stones.
What?
Because they soak him up. Yeah, they soak him up. It's not going to hurt it.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's like you charging them with the herb.
Same thing for you. So now this is, because this Phoenix is all about brightening up your aura, brightening up your energy. And also, it's also cleansing.
Can I have some of that on my finger? So got the oils in my hand and we're just charging it. This is aventurine and malachite. It protects you from bad vibes and radio waves, and it's just all good. I love to wear it on my neck.
We got bubblegum, almond, rose, the eucalyptus.
You can buy off of
Yeah. Oh, you can't film.
Lovely. So, man, then got me some sunflowers, man. He got me some sunflowers, man. Like, some sunflowers, man. Oh. It's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. We don't have bases. What we gonna do? Yeah, fact though, because they do have them for cheap. But no, I have to take pictures with them. No, I swear to God though. That's how what I was doing when I was going weed.
Huh?
She finessing this.
He went back to sleep.
Straight finesse.
I think he did. I'm pretty sure he did.
Oh, it's so beautiful. The technique though, the finesse. Thank you.
You're welcome, and enjoy it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, May. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. They're so pretty.